so today I'm gonna show you how to make this jalapeno and cheese pull-apart bread. So this is a yeast bread, and this has lots of bits and pieces of jalapeno peppers and some cheddar cheese, and you just pull it like this and you can see how amazing the inside. It's just gorgeous, and you can definitely make this at home. There is no reason for you to fear a yeast bread because it's definitely easy. So if you just watch the video until the end and read the post, I have so many tips in homemade bread, so you'll be able to make it, that's for sure. So let me show you how I made this. Let's get started. Okay, so let's give this a try. Let's try to pull it apart. So since we already cut it, so all you have to do is to actually just pull it like this, and you can see it's beautiful. Look at that. So there you go. So I hope you guys will give this a try, and until next time, bye.